Cata-Kor NAD+ is a liposomal supplement introduced in 2025, advertised to enhance cellular energy, cognitive clarity, and support healthy aging. It features a proprietary NAD delivery system, which the company claims boosts absorption rates over 9 times compared to traditional NAD+ products. Available in doses between 250 milligrams and 500 milligrams per serving, it's positioned as a high-strength option, typically priced at around $80 for a 1-month supply. Many users report increased energy, sharper focus, and less mental fatigue within several days of use, highlighting its smooth effects without the jitteriness associated with stimulants. However, NAD+ supplementation remains a developing area in science, and standardized dosing or independent confirmation of absorption efficiency is still lacking. Moreover, the company behind Cata-Kor, previously operating as Reyes Research, has faced scrutiny for past quality control issues, which adds a level of consumer caution. All things considered, Cata-Kor NAD+ could be a strong choice for those looking to explore NAD+ for energy and brain function. Though it comes at a higher price and with limited third-party validation, consulting a medical professional beforehand is recommended, and buyers should take both scientific context and user reviews into account. This is not medical advice, and I'm not responsible